Happy Saturday, my favorite day of the week. Welcome back, welcome in. It is your girl, the Gritty Vegan. For those that are new to my channel, I am getting my day started. Where have I been? I have been taking a break from YouTube and building my TikTok channel and making connections and friends and started my live panel, y'all. So you are on TikTok. Please make sure you follow me, TGV 2019, so you can come on my panel and chat with your girl. And I have some great things to show you today. So first, we're going to start with the linen. I have already washed the sheets, the pillowcases, as you see here. So I'm going to get my queendom together, and then we're going to move on to some more of my chores for the day. So my order from Instacart just came with my waters. So I'm just putting them up in the cabinet and getting some things organized so we can get started in this kitchen. So who else is like me? You guys organize your waters. Are you OCD like me? Let me know in the comments if my OCD squad is in the building. So now we're going to wash the vegetables that came in with the order. I needed some more bell peppers and onions, so I'm just going to sanitize them with my veggie and fruit cleaner. And yes, I use bottled water to get my to soak my veggies in, because I prefer them, if they're going to soak, to be in water that is less contaminated as possible. I know, guys, my OCD is off the chain. So we're just cleaning our bell peppers. And yeah, so if you don't know how to clean your bell peppers, just watch. And if you have some bell peppers, pull them out and clean them with me as we go. I like to take the skin off of my bell pepper, and you don't have to do this part, but that's just something that's a pet peeve of mine. I just be feeling like, even with me cleaning them, so many hands have been on that skin, so I like to get the skin off. I'm now cleaning my knife so we can move on to getting the red onion clean, and I'm just cutting off the cork part of it. I guess that's what you would call it. And then, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get that good and washed. and cut down the middle, spray it with some veggie fruit cleaner, massage it for a few minutes, and then rinse that thoroughly. You don't want to actually soak those for too long as far as your certain veggies, but it'll tell you on the bottle. So now we're rinsing the bell peppers and just getting them prepped because we're going to be cooking today, y'all. You know how I go down over here at the Greedy Vegan. Wouldn't it be nice if your man bought you some flowers? Well, that didn't happen to me. These are flowers my daughter and her best friend bought me for Valentine's Day, and I am just refreshing them, just getting off some of that gook, putting some baking soda in there because I don't have any more plant food, and I'm just putting some spring water in there, and then I'm just going to get some of that slimy gook off, rinse them, and re-put them back into the vase. So now we about to get it going in this kitchen. You know how it goes down in the Greedy Vegan's kitchen. I am getting my pots rinsed and ready and things prepped. Because when you single, this is what you do. I'm going to have me a beverage. I'm going to do some electrolytes and with my coconut water and my pineapple juice. So I'm going to put it in my little fancy wine glass and, you know, have a me day with cooking and showing you guys how to make delicious, crunchy tacos as a vegan. So my daughter doesn't eat plant-based or veggie or vegan meat, so I am making her some black bean chili beans for her tacos. So I'm using some cilantro to prep my quinoa rice and get it together. I don't use rice, so I use quinoa for veggie tacos. And yeah, it's a lot of protein. It's less bloating, ladies. So if you have problems with bloating, quinoa is a great alternative to rice. All right, I'm adding in some squash to the quinoa, and we're now gonna fry our first taco shell. Yeah, we're not using store-bought taco shells. Surprise, surprise. We are making our own taco shells from tortillas. I saw this on another person's YouTube channel, and I say, you know what, let me go ahead and try that this time because I want everything to taste fresh and just delicious and gourmet. So Yeah, we're frying our taco shells today. We being extra in the kitchen today. I'm using grapeseed oil, as you saw before, on low heat to fry them. All right, so now we're gonna stack up our tacos. I am just putting them on the taco stacker so I can prop them in the oven once I get everything stacked. So I'm putting in the vegan plant-based meat, and then I'm gonna add the quinoa and squash as another layer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese. Now you can add lettuce or anything you like to your taco, but this is how I like to eat mine. The lettuce has been on recall a little too much, so I kind of skipped it this time around making the tacos. All right, so we're about to pop these bad boys in the oven so they can become good and melted. And here they are. You don't have to leave them in there long. You put it on broil on low, and now we're adding some hot sauce, some vegan buffalo sauce, medium, to the tacos. Oh my God, they look so bomb. I am so ready to take that first bite. Here we go, y'all. Get into that crunch, baby. These tacos bussin'. All right, so I'm gonna get my bev prep. This is a Olipop root beer, my favorite Olipop flavor. Get into the TGV robe. You can get yours at thegreedyvegan2019.com on my website. I enjoyed my Saturday with you guys. Till next time.